no cursing. Please don't curse. John, pick up the net. Whoa!
That's cool.
I believe it is. Gil, I hope it's not big as yours. This is a law. Like crazy. He's a long way from being in the boat, Steve. How much tape you got?
I got enough.
Want me to tighten your drag?
I don't know, whatever. I don't know nothing about drag. I'm just gonna let him go. You know, I ain't gonna. Look at that son of a gun.
You'd have never got that fish on that other rod. You wouldn't have
No, I had to pull the line off of him. Yes? Nice fish. I'm not gonna let him get the motor. I hope. Steve, you got any commentary?
No.
Put that on YouTube. I hope it's not. Hope it's not a stingray. He ain't all that big. He's just a good fighter. Well, let's see how close he gets before he gets off.
That fucking fish ain't getting off. You get his head close to this guy.
How close you want it, friend?
Right there, baby.
All right.
That's 6 pounds or less, Steve.
Hold it up,
Hold
Norris.
it up, John.
Atta boy.
Don't let it bite me. What do you think? You think it ain't big? Okay.
It's bigger than this. 9 pounds.
You got it. You got it.